What's up everyone? Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're going to be taking a look at XRP and its recent price action, along with some talk about news and fundamentals, and with the price prediction for the short and the long term as well. Before we begin, we'd just like to say thank you so much to everyone for their continued support, the likes and subscribers, Patreon and YouTube members, and all your amazing comments and sharing. We appreciate you all so much at the channel, and we've been growing incredibly fast recently, so thank you to all of you. Our community has been growing amazingly well recently. It's all down to you guys, so thank you so much. If you want to support the channel, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any videos, and turn on bell notifications as well. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. In any instance, you can sign up to our free Telegram via the description. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. So as we can see, the bull flag that we've been rattling on about for about 3 or 4 weeks now has finally played out, and we have seen a break to the upside out of the bull flag here. As we can quite clearly see, at the time of recording this video, it seems as though XRP has ran up to around 170 here, 171, breaking out of this bull flag, which we've been talking about for a long while now. We did see higher lows based off recent corrections, so if we take a look at this, we had quite a decent dump all the way down to below $1 here, but it seems as though we came back up and basically found good support at $1. And this was around a 50% drop from $2, obviously, because half of 2 is 1. And then we basically moved to the upside with quite a lot of aplomb, heading all the way to around 175, but then we came back down due to another market-wide correction because of FUD in the market to do with Tether, Elon Musk, Bitcoin, and other stuff. And we did actually have another double bottom here, but obviously as we can see, this trend line, this macro trend line that we've outlined, which is the bottom part of the bull flag, has been respected completely. This has been a very strong trend line for about a month now. As we can see, it's been respected on 5 separate touch points here, maybe even 6 if you count this other wick. So it seems very likely to us that this wasn't going to get broken, and considering all the positive sentiment surrounding XRP currently, it seemed very likely to us that XRP was going to break to the upside sooner rather than later. And this is something that we have been talking about a lot on the channel, about how the price could break to the upside at any time. And also considering positive sentiment surrounding the SEC lawsuit and what seems to be potentially a settlement in the next few weeks, according to Jeremy Hogan, who is a lawyer who's following the XRP Ripple case, and quite a lot of information in the market in general. A lot of speculation surrounding the proceedings of the lawsuit, and everyone's feeling quite the sentiment seems to be shifting in favor of Ripple Labs. So it doesn't seem unlikely to me that Ripple and XRP's price action would be going very well once Ripple settles the case. And as we can see, XRP has broken out of this bull flag that we have outlined here. It's currently trading at around 168, which is broken out here of this top part of the bull flag. The trend line has been basically broken, so what we'd be looking for next is for it to maybe head to this next resistance level, which we've outlined here, of around 175, and then basically come down and retest the bull flag before heading up to $2, which is this local high. And once we hit $2 again, I do think we could potentially see another little pullback, maybe retest some of these areas of structure here and here. But I do think that once we get to $2, the momentum is going to be too great, and we're going to rip to the upside essentially. As we all know, XRP's price action this bull run has been very suppressed because of the SEC lawsuit surrounding Ripple. But we do think that XRP is an absolutely quality project, and they continue to get more and more partners basically looking at using XRP. So it doesn't seem unlikely to us that XRP is going to continue to fly in this bull run. And once the SEC case gets settled, which we strongly believe that it will, considering all the information that's coming out about it, it doesn't seem unlikely to us that XRP is going to absolutely fly past its all-time high of around 350, which we've outlined here. And we can imagine that XRP could go to around $5 to $10 in the space of a month or so after that settlement. However, as sentiment begins to rise surrounding XRP and the lawsuit, we don't think it's unlikely that XRP will continue to run based off of the hype alone. As we can see, it's essentially ran all the way from around here at these areas of around 155, 160, all the way to $2 based on just positive sentiment surrounding the lawsuit alone. So we do think, considering how suppressed the price is and also altcoin season and the bull run, getting well underway. Altcoin season seems to be just around the corner. We do think the money is going to flow into XRP from higher up cryptos, people taking profits from Ethereum and Bitcoin, for example. And with all this positive sentiment surrounding XRP currently, we can imagine that XRP is going to absolutely rip in the next month or so, especially if we get that settlement. If the settlement is concluded and finalized in the next month, we do strongly believe that XRP will break past this all-time high pretty easily, head to $5 to $10, and then for the remainder of the bull run, we could be looking at a $15, $20, maybe even $30 XRP based on retail hype alone. And then obviously with the regulatory clarity that will come with having the SEC lawsuit settled, XRP deemed not a security, it basically opens the floodgate for institutions to start adopting XRP en masse. And once that happens, obviously, basically it's anyone's guess how high XRP could go in this bull run and in the next few years. It remains to be seen how much adoption it will get in the next 6 months or so with the remainder of the bull run, but it doesn't seem unlikely to us that XRP is going to do exceptionally well. And based on technicals alone, it could reach as high as $25 to $30 based on Fibonacci extensions. So it doesn't seem unlikely to us that XRP is going to perform very well in the next few weeks. We've seen the breakout here that we've been looking for, and now we would like to be seeing it breaking past this previous historical resistance here of the past few weeks of around 175. If it can break this, maybe retest it, and then head to $2. We do think that this $2 level is going to be broken because of the hype that we're seeing. So our short-term price target would be either around $2.50 to $3 in our opinion, just because the hype seems to be growing around XRP, and now that it's broken out of this very bullish pattern, we can't imagine that it's going to slow down. So once this is the case, we do think $2 to $3 very, very achievable in the next month or so. And then obviously if we get that settlement in the next few weeks, potentially, probably going to rip past this all-time high of $3.50 into the $5 to $10 range, basically in the space of a few weeks after that happens, we believe. There'll probably be quite a significant pullback, maybe at $10 of people taking profits with a strong resistance there at psychological level. But we do think that XRP is going to do very, very well this bull run. And we can easily imagine it heading to $20 or $30 based on retail investment alone as the bull run progresses. So short-term price target $2 to $3. We do think that's very possible now that we're seeing this very bullish action breaking out of this bull flag. And then once that happens, based on fundamentals and the growing hype and anticipation of the bull run along with altcoin season, XRP could break past its all-time high based on hype alone. But obviously if that settlement happens, which could happen at any point in the next few months, we're probably going to see a very, 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 very strong upwards spike for XRP, probably into the $5 to $10 range almost instantaneously in the next week, in the week or so after that happens. And then beyond that, we do imagine that if institutional money is flowing into XRP along with retail, we could be seeing massive, massive, massive run-ups for XRP this year. Maybe even as high as $50 to $100 per token, depending on how many institutions actually get in once this happens, because we do think that it's a case of when, not if, that we will get regulatory clarity for XRP one way or another. And once that happens, the floodgates will open for XRP, and we do strongly think that it's going to perform very well this year. So that's our video for XRP today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comment section below. Also, make sure to hit the like button as it helps the channel out so much. So if you're a fan of the channel, just go ahead and tap that like button now for us. Currently, only 10% of viewers are subbed, and we'd love to see our community continue to grow more. So please hit the big red subscribe button. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're going to be offering a host of additional benefits, including coin calls, and the higher tiers gain one-to-one access to us personally, as well as a look at our personal portfolio, our daily research of cryptos with massive potential, and not to mention a 100x portfolio we're currently constructing. So please take advantage of that there. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by depositing $100 using the link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money, so there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.